Hey guys, we're going to be checking out the Fanxiang S500 Pro 256GB NVMe SSD. We'll be installing it inside the laptop, how-to video as well. This thing is quite a powerhouse in a small unit. So this is an unboxing and a showcase of it. So we'll be unboxing it right now. Simple to remove. Okay, that's the manual. Oh, the SSD is actually covered as well. This is how it looks. Quite beautiful to say the least. Fanxiang S500 PCIe Generation 3. Okay, we'll be installing it inside the laptop as well. Okay. Let's go. Okay, to install the SSD, just push it in. Okay, then it locks here. There, it's locked already. There you go. Done. Okay, the package is clean, simple to install. Anybody can do that. Very clean, and it comes with a screwdriver as well. So if you're upgrading your laptop and making it a higher SSD, this is actually a quite good product for that. Speed's actually quite good. So it's great for light gaming, office work. Overall, it's a great entry-level SSD for that. So we'll be installing Windows with this afterwards, just to show you that, and plus if it's accepted as well by the laptop. Okay, the screwdriver it comes with, you can actually use it to open and close a laptop easily. So here you are. So there. So easy to do. There. We open the laptop with it. We can actually close with it as well. Done.